Hi there! Today I bring you something amazing about how to start with AI. Did you know that learning artificial intelligence can change your life forever? Yes, it's that big. You won't believe how easy it is to get started with the basic tools and resources I'm going to show you. But before we dive in, I want to know, would you dare to try learning AI from scratch? Do you think anyone can do it, or do you believe it's only for tech experts? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing social media and many other industries. But where do we beginners start in this field? The good news is that there are plenty of free and accessible resources for everyone. Let me tell you a story. A couple of months ago, I decided to dive into the world of AI. I had no prior experience, just curiosity and a desire to learn. The first thing I did was look for free online courses and found some amazing ones on platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity. One of the most useful resources I found was Andrew Ng's machine learning course on Coursera. This course is a gem, and the best part is that you can audit it for free. It gives you a solid foundation and introduces you to key concepts like algorithms, neural networks, and more. So, how can you also start with AI? Here are a few simple steps. First, choose an educational platform that you like. Coursera and edX are excellent options. Second, start with introductory courses. Don't worry about understanding everything at first. It's normal to feel overwhelmed. Third, practice with small projects. Practice is crucial for learning any skill. If you want to delve deeper, I recommend visiting GitHub. There you'll find repositories with AI projects that you can study and replicate. It's a gold mine of knowledge. Now, let's see how these resources can be applied. Here is an example of a small project using Python and a library called TensorFlow. This project focuses on image recognition. The process involves installing TensorFlow and following a basic tutorial to train a model that can identify different objects and images. The results after applying what I learned allow the model correctly recognizes objects like cats and dogs. It's amazing to see how theory turns into something tangible. And that's how starting with AI changed my life. Or almost. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel encouraged to explore the world of artificial intelligence. If you have any questions or need more resources, leave me a comment and I'll be happy to help you. Remember, learning AI isn't always what it seems, or is it? See you in the next video.